All right, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the child safety lock on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, what happens when you have the child safety lock on, the occupants in the rear seat cannot open the door from the inside and get out. It has to take someone to open it from the outside to open the door. That's the point of the child safety lock. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, I'll appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it a lot. All right, so I'm inside of the vehicle or outside of the vehicle with the door open. You see this right here? The door's open. What I'll do is I'll look towards down here. And do you see this right here? There is a switch right here and it says lock right here. So right now the child safety lock is not on, okay? But when I go like this, the child safety lock is engaged, all right? And then one way to test it is, let me go ahead and go up front. I'm gonna turn on the vehicle. I'm gonna roll down the window so you can see this. All right, turn off the vehicle. So I'm gonna go to the rear of the vehicle. Now I'm gonna get inside of the vehicle. I'm gonna show you. With it engaged, I have this right here. Shut it, and you see door's unlocked. I cannot open the door. The child safety lock is engaged. So what I have to do is I'm reaching outside of the vehicle to open it up right there, and then I'm able to get out. Now that I'm out of the vehicle, I can go ahead and disengage it so the people, the occupants in the rear, can actually get out of the vehicle from being inside. And so to disengage the child safety lock, I'll go back to this right here and I'll do it like that. And now watch this. I'm going to get inside of the vehicle and I can get out. All right. So I just disengaged and engaged in the child safety lock with this switch right here. Now there's the same switch on the other side of the vehicle in the rear where you can make this adjustment for the other door. All right, so that is how you do it. Make sure you read your owner's manual so you know specifically how to do it on your particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.